Good morning, viewers. Today we will talk about the installation of the granite statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at the India Gate canopy, which once housed the statue of King George V. Well, indeed, this is a great moment for us, and we all Indians are proud of it, proud of this moment. But the question remains that is it really a long-awaited correction of history? And why this question even arises? Well, the answer lies in the history of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो शेवतन बढ़ाए.
Well, Netaji was the leader of the Indian National Army, commonly known as INA, as the foremost freedom fighters of India. INA was the army that faced the maximum attrition as 26,000 out of 90,000 died. But even after that, this was the army which never surrendered towards the or against the Britishers. A tweet earlier this morning from the Union External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar is putting some more fuel into this debate. And I'm quoting that. He said in his tweet earlier this morning that the presence of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at India Gate is a long awaited correction of history. A leader who fought imperialism and compelled the decolonization is being recognized, said in his first tweet. And later he tweeted in his second tweet that this is a message from a new India and we will be true to ourselves while dealing with the world. Now, again, the question is like, what mistake he is talking about and which has now corrected? Well, the statue of the digital statue of Netaji was unveiled on his 125th birth anniversary on Sunday, and later this 3D hologram will be converted into the granite statue of 28 feet high and 6 feet wide. Well, if we're talking about the tribute in real sense, this is a great tribute and a must tribute to the national hero Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you.